ACDC, arguably the greatest Aussie rock band of all time. But the irony is they don't feature in the song mashup at all. But why is that so? Because this is a song mashup that uses 4 particular chords in a particular order, and for the life of me, I couldn't find one AC/DC song that matches that. You might know one, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Anyway, what are these chords? This song mashup is 20 songs, great Aussie songs, using the chord progression G, D, E minor, and C. This is not a new concept, alright? The 4-chord song mashup was first made public, I guess, back in 2009 at the Melbourne Comedy Festival by this trio, comedy musical trio called the Axis of Awesome. Now, 11 years later and 20 plus million views later, I think they got onto a formula. Now, I must say, preparing this compilation took me a long time. I had to troll through all my old tape collections to try and find songs that matched. And then I had to go and look in the trading post and buy an old 1980s car just so I could use the tape deck, so I could play the tapes and listen to the songs and get it all together. Well, eventually I found 20 songs that have the same chord progression in that order: G, D, E minor, C. Now this mashup will start and end with 2 amazing Aussie female artists. The first one, I just love the song so much, I'm actually going to do the whole first verse because I think the lyrics are beautiful. The rest are pretty much extracts, and I finish with what I would rate is the greatest Hollywood musical ending of all time. And just a bit of a teaser alert, it came from my childhood crush, Aussie female artist. Well, that's enough preamble from me. I think it's time to bring you 20 great Aussie songs you need to know. Am I not pretty enough? Is my heart too broken? Do I cry too much? Am I too outspoken? Don't I make you laugh? Should I try it harder? Why do you see right through me? Don't be so reckless. Throw down your arms whenever I fall at your feet. Oh, the flame trees will blind the weary driver, and there's nothing else could set fire to this town. We got 2 strong hearts, we stick together like the honey and bee. You and me want someone, please understand. Want someone, lend me a helping. These days turned out nothing like I had planned, and that's the way it's gonna be, little darling. We'll go riding on the horses, yeah, yeah. My head is a box full with nothing, that's the way I like it. My garden's a secret compartment, that's the way I like it, that's the way I like it. You don't want anyone, you don't want anyone. Don't tell me this is paradise. I'm all out of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I should be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky in love. I'm torn, I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am flamed, lying naked on the floor. Doesn't that sound familiar? Doesn't that hit too close to home? Doesn't that make you shiver, the way things could have gone? I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, my happiness is slowly creeping back. You were amazing, we did amazing things. You shouted out, but I can't hear what you say. You're talking loud, not saying much. So tell me, why should I let you go? Give me 20 good reasons I need to know, yeah, yeah. Give me 20 good reasons. Give me 20 good reasons. Give me 20 good reasons I need to know. No, no, here are 20 great Aussie songs for you to know. Sunday 19. Oh yeah, I lost count. That's right, that great Hollywood ending song. Okay. Here are 20 great Aussie songs for you to know. Now that I'm here, now that you're near, in Xanadu. Now that I'm here, now that you're near, in Xanadu. Now that I'm here, now that you're near, in Xanadu.